Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress templates. WordPress templates, often called themes, are fundamental to your website's appearance. They dictate the overall design, layout, and functionality. Think of them as the skin of your site, providing a consistent look across all your pages. Understanding how to effectively choose and implement a theme is the first crucial step in building a professional-looking website. Installing a new theme is straightforward. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Here, you can click Add New to explore the vast collection of free themes available in the WordPress directory. If you have a premium theme, you can upload its zip file directly. Once you find your desired theme, simply click Install and then Activate to apply it to your site. The block editor is your primary tool for customization. For individual pages and posts, you can drag and drop blocks to create rich, dynamic content. With modern block-based themes, you gain access to the site editor. This powerful tool allows you to customize your entire website, including headers, footers, and global styles, all using intuitive blocks. You have complete control over your site's design. For advanced customization, consider creating a child theme. This protects your modifications when the parent theme updates. Many users also explore dedicated page builders for even more design flexibility. Always remember to keep your theme updated for security and new features. Finally, always perform a full website backup before making any major template changes to ensure your data is safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.